Fossils in 2 at the moment, guys. We'll line them up and talk about them a bit more on the way back. Fossil 3, 4 and 5 here on the left hand side. And the second fossil, this sort of cone-shaped fossil here on our right. This here is the first fossil, this one with the green on top. Menzel, the other one's now behind us. Anything in front of us now has its own name, and therefore is not considered or classified as an apostle. So starting here, these 2 wider ones are called the Twin Sisters, followed by the Salt and Pepper Shaker. Then long one there is a Razorback Ridge. Martin Boot Island, this big green island here, it's the largest island in the park. Baker's Oven coming up here, this rock here with the hole in the middle, named by sailors as they would sail past. I looked at that and thought it sort of resembled a baker's oven similar to a pizza oven. Sentinel Rock, this big tall rock here on the right hand side, the tallest rock in the national park. Stands 60 metres tall, makes it the same height as a 20-storey building. On the right hand side, Port Campbell town, myself live in Port Campbell, nice little beachy surfy town there. Up ahead of us, guys, is an archway. This archway here is the largest archway in the park. The hole in the middle, big enough to fly one of our smaller helicopters right through. On the right is the London Bridge. It's a single archway now. It used to be a double archway connecting it to the coastline. That's where we got the name the London Bridge. But in 1990, the archway that connected it to the coastline actually collapsed, leaving the single London Bridge as you see it there on your right hand side today. Alright guys, we'll turn around and I'll get another good look at everything from the other side. on the left is Sentinel Rock, the tallest rock in the National Park. Just past that is Horseshoe Cove, a little sandy beach there with a cave in the middle. It's home to penguins, little fairy penguins. They sleep there, they catch a wave in at sunset, walking up the beach and sleep inside the cave. On the left here is Matamud Island, this big green island here. It's the largest island in the park. Just past that is, well, where those buses are parked is Lockhart Gorge. You can park at the top, walk down some stairs to a really beautiful beach down there. My favourite place in the park. Ahead of us guys are the 12 apostles. This is the first apostle here, this one with the green on top. The second apostle is the cone-shaped one, and apostle 3, 4 and 5, the tall skinny ones there. Only 7 apostles remain today. They were given the names of the apostles in the 1920s, and over time through the Bible, through biblical references, and people started referring to them as the 12 apostles, but there never actually were 12, only ever 8. The 6th apostle is a small one down here with the green on top, the smallest of all the apostles. Just past that is a pile of rocks in the water. Those rocks are the remains of what was the 7th apostle. In 2005 that collapsed, leaving the 7th apostle, this larger one next to the viewing platform here. The 2 ahead of us, the 2 on the right hand side of the viewing platform, are called Gog and Magog, as they have their own names, not technically considered or classified as apostles.